Have you ever considered what flavor perfection means? It's not just a brand, it's a mindset focused on intentionality. Food evokes emotions and connects people. I created Flavor Perfection to share meaningful moments, not just meals. Growing up in New Jersey, food symbolized comfort. Winning MasterChef Season 14 fueled my passion for purposeful cooking. Cooking with purpose involves selecting ingredients with care. Ask yourself, why this dish? Create balance and use storytelling for every bite. Flavor Perfection is based on core principles. Intentional ingredients elevate dishes and techniques should connect, not just impress. I value approachability. Good food welcomes everyone. Let emotions guide your dishes, expressing personal stories with each plate. Cooking is a personal journey. Celebrate your background and share your love through food. Join me in inspiring purposeful cooking. It's about smiles, moments, and togetherness, not perfection. Next time in the kitchen, ask, what story will I tell? Cook with heart, make every dish unforgettable.